Good. Heels down, Anna. Bring his nose in again. So right away when he sticks it out, I want you to pull and release on your reins a little bit. Squeeze your leg on. Let's push him to the rail before we lope. Make sure he's staying on the rail. Loosen the pressure on your feet. Keep those legs nice and still. Bring his nose in. Good. Bring his nose in again. Good, and let's slope. Outside leg and kiss. Stay nice and relaxed. Loosen the pressure on your feet. Good, loosen, relax. Push your upper body forward a little bit. Good, nice. Good, kiss. Good. Push your upper body forward again. Relax. Good, and ask him to stop.